discovered that will change your life, because it's gonna be based on blush, but I've noticed that if you don't know what blush color fits your skin tone, just mix them all. It works, trust me. When you don't know if you're warm undertoned, neutral undertone, cool undertone, just get all of them. Every blush that you own in your makeup collection, doesn't matter if it's high end or if it's low end, once you take stuff out of their packaging, you see that it's just formulated powders, so you don't even judge them. Okay, you see that it looks kind of harsh. Your first application, it doesn't matter if it's harsh or not. And we're gonna go in with this brush. And I'm gonna show you how to contour with blush. This blush is a medium brown blush. You could do this with bronzer too. So you put on your harsh blush and then you go around it with that. This is a Becca blush. So Becca's brand formulated powders that were very loosely packed with a shimmer, because once you put shimmer into a powder, it makes it blend easier. So if you have a very unpigmented powder, try this. Now that I've blown out this face, I'm going in with my foundation powder and just cleaning up the lines. It's like baking, but without all the mess. Try thinking your cheekbone as a shadow, and take your loose powder, foundation powder, and you cup it kind of like a C, or a U. You just cup it. Okay, but this is the most exciting part. Have you noticed that Bare Minerals is my favorite brand? I would love to work with Bare Minerals or take Bare Minerals' statement on beauty and add myself to it. California, loose powders, natural coverages. Anyways, okay, this blush has like an orange tint. I mean, it's a highlighter, but I'm gonna show you what I do. So you're gonna put it on your highlight spots, but this powder is formulated to blur your pores. So you could take it in even up into under the eye. So you're just melting everything together. And you won't be able to tell where your blush ends and meets. I usually have that problem, that first world problem, but I've also noticed on other women, other men, that you can always tell where someone's blush ends and starts. So putting this on top, it's like a top coat of nail polish. It just, you see? if you view makeup like the process of painting your nails, it's so similar. It's like you put your base coat, your primer, you put your color, your foundation, and you put your top coat, your highlighters, right? It's just so simple. What does Chica think? I think she wants some highlighter. Hello, hello. How did I go on camera without lip gloss on? Can I sue myself? I like to tap the gloss in to intentionally get it over the lip shape because it makes it look lived in, and I don't know, you know the look of lip filler and how it's like a blurred lip line? I like to make that with the gloss. Okay, last step, setting spray. Okay, and now you're ready to tackle your day in the United States. Since it's so hard to live here, but you can catch me at your local Starbucks editing videos for you to watch and reading Little House on the Prairie. Peace out. Peace out.